This 50 go.
Don't drink and drive.
What's up, YouTube? We back at it again. Just got a package dropped off from UPS. And what we have here is my Trufiber Recaro inserts. Let's get these bad boys opened up and installed in the car. Here's one. You do it one hand, like I always say. And here's the other. Nice. That's what's his name. I can't think of his name on Instagram. Cool car. Cool car. Another lanyard. Alright, next time you see these bad boys, they'll be on the car. So what you want to do is get your little pry tool and just get in there anywhere. Just take your time. And what you want to do is you want to push toward that middle. If you push up, and you hear it pop. Take your time. There you have it. So, see, when you put this thing together, what you're doing is, when you're pushing toward this middle line, is you're pushing this up or down. And then once you get your finger in there, and it moves just a little bit, you'll be able to pull it apart. So it's real easy. Like I said, I've seen some other videos where you pop a little tab off and there's screws in here. But with the Mustang ones, that's popping. Alright, when I'm done with mine, because mine's just temporary. I'm just doing this temporary because I plan on getting my seats done. Custom leather suede. So I know if you put these bad boys in, they're not going to want to come out. So what I'm going to do is, if you can see on here, I'm bending the tabs up so it don't lock in. You don't have to do that, but I'm going to do that. So I'll be able to pop it right back out. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to put a little bit of ceramic coat on these just to protect them a little bit. Alright, we got them all ceramic coated now. So what you do is you get the back piece. You're just gonna stick it through these little holes right here. Push in. Easy peasy. Then you get the front one. Like I said, I'm not locking mine down yet, but they shouldn't go nowhere. Just pop it in until it clicks. Kind of hard to do one hand, but here, click. Alright, that's one. Like I said, I got that little gap in there because I don't have the tabs closed. Because I don't want mine to lock in place right now because I know it's going to be hard to get them back out. Alright, let's get this one in. Push it through the little tabs right there. Should lock right in. And then you're going to get the front piece. Push it till it clicks. Alright. And there we have it. You want to do the same thing. it in until it pops. Get the front, like I said before, we're not locking them in. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Hold on. Okay, we got it in. Now off to the other side. Start with the back piece. Alright, so there we have it. The passenger side and the driver's side. Alright, we got both seats here together. We got the Recaro's passenger and we got the passenger stock California Special chair. Like I said, I love my California Special seats. Everybody kept saying, get Recaro's, man. Do that, let that be your next mod. But, I mean, pound for pound, like I said, the GTCS ones, they're heated. They have the suede-like material on them. It's leather, power everything, power up, back, slide, tilt, all that shit. Passenger and driver side. You know, that's why it's sitting up a little higher than the car right now. Cause I have it all the way up from when I was taking it out the car. And then, like I said, the back seat. I mean, got a little pouch back there to stick stuff. That's where I normally keep my little show plaques and stuff like that. But I don't know. Like I said, hit me up. I might be selling these, or I might just put them up. I got all three: the front seat, passenger seat, and the rear seats. They're all in perfect condition. They still smell new. Like they still had a new smell to them. So if you're interested, hit me up. You know, and I'll get back to you if I sell them. All right, there you have it. My Trufiber, carbon fiber, Recaro inserts. They look real nice. Like I said, you don't have to do it like I did. Like I said, I didn't bend those these little plastic tip things just to stock on, because I'm thinking about getting my seats redone. You know, get my whole upholstery redone. So I don't want to make it nothing permanent to where the upholstery shop has a hard time getting them out. Because once them bad boys lock in there, trust me, I don't think they're going nowhere. So when you do it, and if it's permanent, make sure you push these little tab things, push them down right there. That's what holds it on there. You know, but other than that, like I said, they look real nice, kind of pricey. Oh, another thing, when you buy them, they come, one pair is for one seat, so you need two pairs. A lot of people make that mistake. So don't think you're just gonna go in there and hit one. One pair is 1, 2. You need two pairs equals 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure you hit 2 of them. 2 pairs if you have 2 seats. Like I said, nevertheless, they do look good, just like all the other carbon fiber. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like and subscribe button. Don't drink and drive. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at This50Go. Until next time, peace.